Traditional sensors often struggle in the thick smoke and heavy dust of disaster zones. Worcester Polytechnic Institute researchers address this by unveiling an autonomous drone that navigates using sound. Unlike LiDAR or radar-based systems, which add weight, cost, and power demands, this approach relies on lightweight ultrasound sensing to operate in challenging conditions. The 6-inch wide robot weighs 1 pound and features 2 tiny, low-power ultrasound sensors. Engineers add a specialized acoustic shield to block propeller noise, allowing the drone to hear faint echoes. Using deep learning, the system processes these signals to sense its surroundings and navigate with minimal computation. During 180 trials, the drone successfully navigated obstacles, including transparent plastic and simulated snow. It also operated in complete darkness with black obstacles, reinforcing the fact that the system does not rely on vision-based perception. The platform demonstrated a success rate between 72% and 100% in these challenging conditions. However, detecting thin objects such as metal poles or slender tree branches remains a technical hurdle. With approximately 5 minutes of flight time, endurance is also limited. Still, its low-power design points toward lighter, more cost-efficient navigation systems for search and rescue operations in hazardous environments.